Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Boto Group. Now let's introduce our factory equipment. Our Boto Group is factory professional in test chamber. Now let's introduce our first test chamber. This is programmable high and low temperature test chamber. Now you can see the inner box. This material is 304 stainless steel, and this is you can change the layer. You can choose 1, 2, 3. It's depend on your decide. You can see by this windows. Okay, this is open the door. This test chamber is small, high, and low test chamber. The test chamber can put in the table, so the volume is small and the size is small. You can put in table. The price is very reasonable. The material is also stainless steel. This is the window when you test the product. This is spiral test. This material is plastic. You can do spiral test. This is open the door. Okay, now let's close the door. This is our program, a small program, high and low test chamber. This size is larger than this.
Desktop.
Yeah, this is test the bigger product. This is test the small. You can see the inner box. The inner box is very small. This is larger than that. Okay, if you have any problem, you can contact our by Alibaba or by email. Then we will provide our best solution. Okay, thank you.